And we continue our team coverage on the historic flooding in central Texas. At least 129 people have been killed. Officials say that number is likely to rise and many more are still missing. One Hampton Roads humanitarian organization has been on the ground for over a week now and spoke to 10 on Your Side's Ethan Krause.
The Virginia Beach nonprofit Operation Blessing deployed to Texas on July 5th. Since then, they have provided meals and supplies to residents and first responders as they attempt to recover from this devastating disaster. One case saw the nonprofit helping an elderly couple who lost everything in the flooding. A Texas mechanic who lost all of his tools, most of his possessions, and saw catastrophic damage to an antique car he had gotten for his wife.
Dave and his wife, they're elders in their 65s. Retired mechanic, and they lost everything. Their home was flooded. We show up, he was a mechanic, so he lost all his tools. He have a small garage where he was fixing an old car that belongs to his wife, a Dodge 66. Beautiful car.
Operation Blessing helped Dave replace all of his tools and made repairs to the car, which they were able to get running again.
One of our team members is a mechanic, and just like we got the video of him starting the car again, that was fully flooded, impossible to recover. So it was like a miracle to see the car starting again.
Traverso says for the Texas couple, it represents much more than a car and replaced tools.
A memory that he gave it to his wife years ago in love and all that, and seeing the home and that possession also destroyed, something went off with him too. And seeing their faces of hope, there is still something there, despite the loss and the suffering that a lot of families are experiencing right now. There is still hope, and that's something that we've been seeing it, and we hope that we can see it more and more.
If you'd like to lend a helping hand to the families in Texas as they continue to recover, a donation link can be found on this story over on wavy.com. Ethan Krause, 10 on Your Side.